Hello friends, today in this video I will show you System32 folder opening automatically at startup in Windows 11. So this is very easy to fix it. So first you need to search CMD and right click on command prompt, click on run as administrator. It asks permission, so click on yes. Now type here this command sfc space slash scan. Now press enter. Now wait some few minutes till this process will be complete. This process will be 100%, so type second command. I will give in decision box so to just copy and paste it. After this both process will be successfully run, so close it and restart your PC or laptop, and after restart you resolve this problem. So hopefully guys you like this video. Please comment this video this method would be workful or not, and subscribe this channel for more interesting videos.